1966 Ford Mustang Coupe, listed in Clovis, California for $16,500 or best offer. This factory C-code Mustang originally came with a 289 V8, but now has a 302 V8 under the hood. It rides on classic Craigar wheels and features an upgraded 3-row aluminum radiator for better cooling. The rust-free underside reflects its life in dry Nevada and California climates. It needs some work, including a better paint job and front suspension repairs due to ball joint wear. The seller may include new ball joints. Comes with a clean title, ready to sell. Check the link in the description to contact the seller. (1969) Chevrolet Impala, listed in Willard, Missouri for $6,800. This classic is powered by a 327 V8 engine and comes with factory air conditioning, power steering, and power brakes. It runs and drives but has some rust on the top. Recent upgrades include a new camshaft, lifters, carburetor, HEI distributor, and power steering pump, along with other small repairs. A solid project car with plenty of potential for the right buyer. (1974) Chevrolet Nova, listed in Boonsboro, Maryland for $8,800. This running and driving project car has a 350 small block V8 with performance upgrades, including an aftermarket camshaft, headers, and a full exhaust. It features a turbo 350 automatic transmission with a B&M ratchet shifter, a 10-bolt rear end with 3.73 gears, and a cowl hood for an aggressive look. The fuel cell is in the trunk, and the car comes with a clean Maryland title, the original owner's manual, and a Haynes repair manual. Solid body with minimal rust. (1973) Chevrolet Monte Carlo, listed in Fort Worth, Texas for $12,500. This classic, named Motor Trend's Car of the Year in 1973, has 76,000 original miles and is ready to drive. It features a strong 350 small block V8 with a 4-barrel carburetor, power steering, disc brakes, and swivel bucket seats. Recent upgrades include a Bluetooth CD player, new radiator, fuel tank, brake lines, and fresh carpet. A brand new black vinyl top is included, but not yet installed. The air conditioning needs work, and the hood's clear coat is peeling in 2 spots. (1970) Dodge Dart Swinger, listed in Leitchfield, Kentucky for $15,500. This one family-owned classic has just under 80,000 miles and still retains its original slant 6 engine and transmission. It was repainted once, but the door jambs still have the original paint. The body is in excellent shape with original sheet metal and solid floor pans. Everything works, including all lights and gauges, and it's reliable enough for a long drive. A well-preserved classic with no trades accepted, cash only. (1951) Dodge Coronet Coupe, listed in Visalia, California for $8,500. This well-preserved classic features a 230 cubic inch flathead 6-cylinder engine paired with a Dodge Gyromatic semi-automatic transmission, which requires occasional use of the clutch. With just over 73,000 miles, it runs and drives, making it a great entry into the classic car hobby. The car looks great for its age and is a budget-friendly way to own a piece of history. The price is firm, so serious buyers only. 1953 Buick Special, listed in Kingman, Arizona for $3,500. This classic has a clean Arizona title and features an upgraded small-block Chevy 350 engine with an automatic transmission. It needs some work to get running properly, including bleeding the brakes, cleaning the fuel tank, and replacing the fuel pump. Right now, it only runs when gas is poured directly into the carburetor. A great project car with solid potential. The seller is open to trades for classic cars, trucks, or cool project vehicles. (1973) Dodge Dart, listed in Higbee, Missouri for $12,000. This classic runs and drives great with a strong 318 V8 that has less than 3,000 miles since it was rebuilt. The body is in excellent shape with no rust, and the entire car was rewired 1 year ago. It has dual straight pipes for an aggressive sound, and the tires are in good condition. The dash cluster is missing, but all gauges are included and an original replacement can be found online. It needs minor TLC, but the car has a clear title and is ready to enjoy. (1969) Ford Thunderbird Coupe, listed in Bessemer, Alabama for $5,000. This Raytrod-style classic features a powerful 429 Thunderjet big block engine. It runs, drives, and stops with a solid body. The sunroof needs attention and the carburetor might need some work, but the seller has a new Edelbrock carburetor available for the right deal. Open to trades for another classic, including four-door models, G-body cars, or a nice daily driver like a Lincoln Continental. (1970) Ford Maverick, listed in Alburtis, Pennsylvania for $7,500. This classic has a powerful 302 V8 and an automatic transmission. It features upgrades like Ford Explorer front spindles, an 8.8 rear axle, and disc brakes on all four wheels for better handling. The full exhaust system with Flowmaster mufflers gives it a deep, aggressive sound. It runs and drives, but needs some TLC. The interior has no carpet, and the seller is letting it go due to limited space. Comes with a clear title and is ready for its next owner.